Hello guys, today I am gonna teach you how sweep command works. First, you need a path. Draw path using sketch command. Select the plane and sketch. Whatever. You can select spline, line, curve, anything. Just draw complete sketch. Then select sweep command and select the sketch. You can switch origin from using this arrow, right, left, anything. Select sketch, normal to view. You will get a center point. Then draw the profile. It may be circle, triangle, rectangle, whatever you want. Select, give the dimensions. Okay, then you will get the profile. Here you can get surface option, cap paint, whatever you want. If you want cap paint or not, then hollow and thicken. If you want to thick, this is the thickness, whatever you want. You can keep the thickness either outside or inside. Then okay, thank you.